Hey guys, it is Lily from Lily and Mousy Plays, and today, oops, don't look at that. Today I am playing a game that we've only played once in the channel, and we actually got 41 subscribers. We've only played it once on the entire channel, and that is Royale High. Oh crap! I did not mean to click pause that. And so today, they have the new Valentine's update, which is so addicting, and they have like a ton of new skirts. So they have big Valentine's update, dorm furniture, playable radio, love bunk beds, and other stuff like that. Um, three brand new skirts, all with bows, new hairstyles, new limited Valentine's wings. Oh, and I already got one of them. Valentine's makeup, tons of new makeup, skirts. I've already said that, and stuff like that. And and the one of the skirts is more poofier. And right now I'm actually playing with slime, so if you hear like noises in the back, this is mine. Or nibbles. If you didn't watch the Snoop Slimes and new chinchilla, it might be nibbles because he makes a lot of noise in this cage. No joke. He'll make a lot of noise in this cage. And it's not annoying except when you sleep. But if you're kind of like me and most of the time are a heavy sleeper, then you'll be okay getting a chinchilla. Because chinchillas, if you do not know, they're nocturnal. So most of the time they sleep at day and are awake at night, but my chinchilla is basically awake all the time, which I like. So I'm gonna skip the last class. Why is this winning water? Okay, gonna claim a locker. Did Dad not claim? Claim, please. Okay, I'm gonna get a different outfit on because yeah, I am overwhelmed and I am really excited. I'm actually just gonna change my skirt because I don't want to go because I love my freaking skirts. And I actually don't really want to change it. And guys, today I decided not to do my camera, so it's just my screen, which I'm kind of glad. Do you guys like this? Do you guys like it without my face, or do you guys like it? Do you guys like it without my face and just the screen, or do you guys like it with the screen and my face? I don't really care. I mean, if we can get more subscribers doing what you guys want, then I'll do it for you guys because you guys are amazing for getting us to 41 subscribers. But actually, I'm gonna put another link of a different YouTube channel down below that you guys should definitely go subscribe to because it is me and my awesome and amazing cousin, um, Isabel, and she's the best cousin I could ever have in the whole entire world, and she and me and her made that channel together. It's Funny Fails 05 and it is amazing. So make sure to go subscribe to it. Sorry, I'm breathing so loud. Okay, custom colors. What should we do on this a fine day? No, we need like a lighter purple. That's the problem. That Gucci? No, it's not Gucci. Right here. That is no. I still do not like that. I mean, that color looks amazing, but like, oh my god. Okay, I'm doing that, and then do you think I wish they had like hats, and but they're like Royal High hats, like you know what I mean? Like it'd be like a flower crown, or like just not like you know how they have just the crown. I wish they had more than the crown. Like you could do like a flower crown, or like something like that. But I know you can do that. Okay, guys. So, um, ow, I hit my ear, but um, I'm gonna actually go try to find a dorm. So, cause like they said at the beginning, you don't want to be sleeping outside. So, find a dorm. Oh, sorry. I'm stuck. Claim dorm. I'm actually going to get maybe one of the Valentine's furniture. To okay, so look at oh my god, furniture shop. Look at this. They all the way changed it. It's definitely changed. Wall furniture, bookshelf, TV sets, vanity, and piano. Okay, I'm good. Wall furniture, desk, accessory. Rude. Desk accessories too. There's only one. Okay, beds. They have modern bed. They have royal bed. They have day bed. They have canopy bed. They have love bunk beds. Oh my god. And then they have the Princess Heart can and the pea bed. Oh my god, guys, look at that. I'd never realized that. Oh. Okay, desk accessories. Never mind. I think I'll skip that. Um, what's this? Furniture paint. Oh, okay. I didn't want that in my inventory, but that's okay. Um, bam. Okay, bam, wham, jam. Okay. I think actually, we will stop the video. This is gonna be a short video just because I didn't actually feel like making a video for you guys. I mean, I would love making a video anytime for you guys, but I just don't really feel like making a video right about now. So I think I am doing this for you guys, and I am actually going to be ending the video after the dance. So yeah, soybeans. Yeah. Oh my god, did you hear that? Oh my god. So good. Okay, I'm actually gonna get my prom stuff on. So skunks, and get that skunk off, girl. You know. I'm weird. Okay, skirts. Pink. No. Blue. No. Oh, what's these? What's these? Oh, I love that. It's like a peach color. Timmy, I want a peach. Oh, yeah, baby. I love that. Yes. Yes. Now, that's pretty good. No, this one. I wish there could be different hair colors. That's the problem. I mean, the hair colors are still actually really good right now, but uh, you know, um, uh, come on, hiccups. Worst time. You could do it after the video. I wouldn't care, but you choose to do it in the video. Come on. Okay. Uh, um. Ooh, I love that makeup. Oh my gosh. Wings, wings, wings. Light. Glittering sun. Perfect. Perfect. Perfecto. Crap. Fudge. Drag it over. Okay. I don't know. Um, crap, the dance started. Please don't tell me. Okay, we're Gucci, guys. We're Gucci. Okay. Ooh. Now see who wins the dance. And if I win, then I will, I'll do another video pretty soon of this game. Comment down below if you if you like watching me play this game. Oh, sorry. Actually, having a right now. And it's Valentine's. It's a Valentine's for my friend because I won a giveaway cause that she was doing that she's holding, and I got so, and so it came with a free suck off. Oh my god. If you guys know, I'm level 62 in this game, and I have 24,779 gems. So don't like it and you drink it. I know that's loud. I'm sorry. I'm gonna do some limboing, and I'll meet you guys if I went once it's time to pick. Okay, guys. Guess what? I did not win the prom, but I'm actually so sorry. In the prom, most of the time I was not recording, and I just now started recording. And I was jam. They had the song Thunder on. They had the song Thunder on. Sorry, I'm playing with phone slime. They had the song Thunder on while the prom was on, while the prom was going, and I wasn't recording, and I started jamming out. And even if I was recording, you guys still wouldn't see me. So I'm actually so sorry for that. And found, yeah. Well, if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to smash the like button, like smash it, and make sure to subscribe. Hit the hit the hit the red subscribe button down below, and you will become a part of the Happy Onion Squad. And yeah, and I'll leave and make sure to go hit the subscribe button for Funny Fail 05 because we deserve it, because we actually had to try really hard for these fails. No joke. Because my cousin is she lives super far away from me, like 11 hours, and she's in Colorado and I'm in Ames, and so it's like we never really ever get together. So whenever we do, we always try to make some funny fails. So please give us some support because we barely ever post because we ever have time to because we're never with each other. But when we are together, then we try to post on YouTube some funny fails. So I'll leave that channel link down below if I can get it. And make sure to go subscribe to this channel and Funny Fails 05. I love you all, and if you enjoyed this video, make sure to comment down below. Peace out. I love you all.